Hey folks, my name is Jovani. I am the science educator at the Conning Club in South Boston. This is a little activity on how to make a little tornado in a jar. A little activity I think you guys will enjoy while we're at home. Thank you. Once you have all the steps complete, you fill the bottle with water, a drop of soap, and a few pieces of confetti for decoration. The next thing you're going to do is put the cap on, tighten it up, give it a spin, and you have yourself a tornado in a jar. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy.